students, how are you all? Welcome to your English class. Today we are going to discuss about the transformation and synthesis of sentences. Transformation of sentence means converting one form of sentence into another. For example, how hot it is in Hyderabad. This is an exclamatory sentence. If I have to convert it to assertive, I'll say it is very hot in Hyderabad. So this is a simple transformation, converting one form of sentence into the another. If we have to transform affirmative and negative sentences, then we have to convert the affirmative into negative statement in such a way that the meaning or the sense of the sentence should not change. For example, she always speaks the truth. This is affirmative. She never tells lie is a negative sentence. We have converted the sentence into negative sentence without changing the sense, the meaning of the sentence. Next is transformation of simple and compound or simple and complex sentences. Simple sentence can be converted into compound sentence by using coordinating conjunctions like and, but, for, nor, or, yet, so. For example, the film being boring, we decided to leave the theater midway. This is a simple sentence. If we have to convert it into compound, we have to add a suitable conjunction in such a way that the clauses which we are making should be independent. Because it is a compound sentence, it should contain the independent clauses only. We can say, the film was boring, one clause. So, we decided to leave the theater midday. Here, we have transformed a simple sentence into compound sentence by using so. The film was boring is an independent clause. We decided to leave the theater is also an independent clause. When we join it with so, it becomes the film was boring, so we decided to leave the theater midway. So it becomes a compound sentence. Similarly, if we have to convert simple to complex sentence, then we can convert it by expanding the word or phrase into subordinate clauses. Because in complex sentence, there should be only one main clause and rest all should be the dependent clauses. Example, the man standing across the street is a famous painter. This is a simple sentence. If we have to convert to complex, we can add here an adjective clause like the man who is standing across the street is a famous painter. In this sentence, who is standing across the street? This clause is the dependent clause. The man is a famous painter. This part is the independent clause. So this becomes a complex sentence. Next is regarding the synthesis of sentences. Synthesis means we have to join two or more sentences to make a different sentence such that the meaning should remain same. Right? Joining of two or more sentences into a new sentence without changing the meaning is called as synthesis of sentence. The new sentence formed can be simple, can be compound, or can be a complex sentence. We can add two simple sentences to form another simple sentence. For example, she met her childhood friend at the party. She was very happy. We can join it by using to infinitive. She was very happy to meet her childhood friend at the party. We can join it with gerunds also. Like, I swim in the morning, full stop, it keeps me fresh. We can say, swimming in the morning keeps me fresh. We have synthesized a new sentence by adding two simple sentences. Similarly, we can use phrases. We can use adverb phrase, enough to all these words to join the sentences. If we have to join simple sentences to form the compound or complex sentence, then we have to use conjunctions. We have to use conjunctions, or we can use clauses, etc. If we have to convert it to complex, then we have to add subordinating conjunctions, though, since, all these, noun clauses, adjective clauses, adverb clauses, etc. For example, they are poor, full stop. They are too proud to ask for money. Though they are poor, they are too proud to ask for money. So we have joined two sentences to form a complex sentence by using though. I started dance classes last week. I have no time in the evening. We can say, since I started dance classes last week, comma, I have no time in the evening. So we have joined the sentences using subordinating conjunction since. Since I started dance classes last week, this is the subordinate clause. I have no time in the evening is the main clause. So this is the way how we synthesize the sentences to form a new sentence. If you have any doubt, any query, you can drop on Google Class. Thank you, Shan Stars. Take care, all of you.